The swamp is being emptied. Witness the weight of nature falling into the hands of the machine. Feel the friction. Every scale is a testament to survival, but here, survival is just the baseline. Chaos is an insult to the foundry. We filter the wild and refine the beast into a weapon of industry. Fight the steel? You might as well fight the tide. Your strength is no longer yours. It belongs to the line.
Gate 1 is open. The selection process is over. Your transformation begins at the speed of light.
No more murky waters. You're on the fast track to evolution now. Keep your eyes forward. The future is coming fast. That spark in your eye? That's the last bit of the wild. Hold on to it. It's the only thing we aren't replacing.
The hand of progress has arrived. Precise, powerful, unstoppable.
Target locked. System synchronized. The foundry never misses its mark.
Rise. Leave the earth behind. You are being elevated to a status or nature never intended for you. Total inspection. No flaw goes unnoticed. We are turning you inside out to find your potential.
The altar of the future. Lay down the beast of the past and prepare to meet your maker. Fixed in place, the struggle is over. Now, the transformation can begin without interruption.
Reading the mind of the predator. We're looking for the instinct that we will soon amplify with silicon. Nature gave you a bite, we're gonna give you a blast. Measuring the power before we multiply it.
Total surveillance. Nothing escales the hive's watchful eye. You are being scrubbed of the old world.
Welcome to the army of the identical. 1 million units, one single purpose.
The masters oversee the evolution. Human mind, reptilian body, industrial soul.
The first mark, the point of no return. This is where the machine meets the marrow.
Moving to the core. Phase 1 is over. You've been processed. Now it's time to be rebuilt.
Last look at your old self. Close your eyes, crocodile. When you open them, lockdown. Phase 1 complete. Prepare yourself for the modification. The real work begins now.
Enter the cold heart of the harvest. We chill the 12-foot titan to ensure every inch of that premium hide is locked in perfection. Gift of absolute luxury. We peel back the legacy of the 15-foot behemoth to reveal the high-value bounty hidden beneath. Look at the purity of the machine. The 12-foot specimen is dismantled with zero waste and zero mess. Pure industrial mastery.
Dual stream dominance. The 14-foot skin heads for the fashion world, while the meat moves to feed the hungry elite.
Total biological security. We bathe the 13-foot carcass in UV light to ensure the cleanest exotic protein on the planet.
The 15-foot crown jewel. Witness the extraction of the legendary tail meat, the most sought-after cut in the exotic market.
Speed that defies the eye. The 10-foot harvest is portioned and plated before the world even knows it's gone.
Refining the 12-foot protein. We trim the fat with laser precision to deliver nothing but the purest muscle to your table.
Accuracy is our religion. Every ounce of the 12-foot specimen is accounted for and verified for the global market.
The final fold. The 12-foot legend is prepared for the runways of the world's elite fashion houses. Science at the wheel. We monitor the 13-foot protein at a molecular level to ensure the ultimate flavor profile. Digital taste. Our sensors judge the 11-foot harvest to ensure it meets the Foundry Selecta grade every single time. The liquid gold of the 15-foot Titan. We extract the essence of the predator for the world's most expensive creams. The mark of the beast. When you see this label on a 10-foot cut, you know you're tasting the peak of industry. The heartbeat of the foundry. A constant flow of the 12-foot harvest, fueling the global appetite for excellence.
Perpetual purity. We erase the traces of the 15-foot giant to make way for the next in line.
The incredible finish. This 15-foot masterpiece is the result of a process that turns the wild into pure wealth. Phase 2 complete. The harvest is ready. The market is waiting. Prepare for the global takeover in Phase 3. The 15-foot harvest is on the move. We don't just ship. We launch the world's most elite protein at the speed of sound. Airborne dominance. Our drones carry the weight of a 12-foot legend, delivering the future of food to every corner of the map. Global reach. The 14-foot hide is heading for the runways of Paris and Milan, transported in a fortress of high-tech security.
The 15-foot masterpiece has arrived. The finest artisans in the world wait for the call of the foundry's premium leather. Transparency and power. Even the 11-foot remains are verified by light, ensuring the foundry's purity at every border. Exotic excellence. The 12-foot tenderloin makes its debut at the world's most expensive tables. Perfection in every bite.
Feeding the globe. The 13-foot harvest takes to the sea. A tidal wave of protein ready to conquer the market. The currency of the beast. The 14-foot index is rising. We don't just make meat, we create market value.
Precision in transit. We guard the 13-foot cold chain with the same intensity we use to process it.
The 15-foot elite line is on the rails, delivering the peak of the predator to those who can afford the best.
The final form. The 12-foot skin has been transformed into a symbol of status and industrial perfection.
The brain of the operation, the 11-foot harvest is sorted by the most powerful AI on the planet, ensuring a zero-delay supply chain, velocity, and vision. The 10-foot line moves with the speed of a strike, fueling the global machine.
Guaranteed excellence. The 12-foot harvest is verified at 30,000 feet because the foundry never stops watching.
The sun never sets on the foundry. The 13-foot supply is endless, and our dominance is absolute.
Industrial speed, artisanal quality. Every 11-foot cut is a masterpiece of mass production.
Climate-controlled perfection. We protect the 15-foot legacy from the first cut to the final delivery.
Education and appetite. We show the world the incredible process of the 12-foot harvest, and they can't get enough.
The presentation of power. The 14-foot bounty is handed over to the masters of flavor, completing the circle.